Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. A sweet and refreshing melon known for its smooth, pale green skin and juicy, green flesh. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as honeydew. Honeydew. Dew. Honeydew. In American accent, we may pronounce it as honeydew. Honeydew. Dew. Honeydew. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about honeydew, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.